One of the factors that can help ensure accurate results is proper pipetting technique. In this video, we're going to go over how to properly use two different pipetters, the Overflow pipetter and the fixed one-stop pipetter. One isn't better than the other, but it's important to know which pipetter you're using and how to properly use it. When using an Overflow pipetter, there are two stops. The first stop, also called the first resistance, and the second stop, also called the Overflow stop. The proper way to use the Overflow pipetter is to press the button all the way down, go into the liquid, and allow it to slowly draw up, but only dispense to the first stop instead of depressing all the way. Alternatively, you can press to the first stop, draw your liquid, then dispense all the way to the second stop. The wrong way to use an overflow pipette is to depress all the way down to the second stop, draw up your liquid, and then depress all the way down to the second stop again. With this incorrect way, you are dispensing more volume than you need. When using a fixed one-stop pipetter, depress the button all the way down, insert the tip into the liquid, and slowly draw up. Then dispense all the way down. Anytime you're pipetting, it's important to depress the button before putting the tip into the liquid. Putting the pipette tip in the liquid and then depressing causes air bubbles. This applies to both the fixed one-stop and overflow pipetters. Using proper pipetting technique is one way to help ensure your test results are as accurate as possible. We hope you found this tip useful. Thank you.